If you want to fix Marvel Rivals disconnected 99% while loading, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, refresh, right? Make sure that you refresh your page to double check if you have a powerful connection, and that should fix it. If it didn't, make sure that you're using a powerful connection. You can see right here I'm using Wi-Fi. Make sure that you switch to a powerful Wi-Fi like 5G, or if you're, in your case, if you are using cellular data, you could just go ahead and start doing that. All right, in my case I'm gonna use the 5G in order to fix the downloading problem, because sometimes your internet can go off and on, so you need to basically make sure that you have a strong connection. All right, that should fix it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.